Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to Quora account or how to use Quora. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial and a popular forum for asking and answering questions is what we call Quora. Because of its high search exposure, it's a good place to go for spreading company awareness by providing information. Take note, it should be correct information. So, what is Quora? A global online community where people may ask questions and also give answers is called Quora. But how does Quora work? And what is the Quora's process? It's simple to participate in Quora. All that is required to begin answering questions in Quora is just registration, or what we call you have to sign up and create an account. The majority of the site is self moderated, with high quality answers receiving upvotes and low quality answers receiving downvotes. So feel free to, click upvote and click downvote, which is later I'm going to explain. Members of the Quora company or community may also report abusive or spammy responses. Actually, you can notice that Quora has moderators who look over submitted answers and also comments. So to create an account, you just have to go to Quora.com. You just have to type your email address, password here, and then if you want to sign up using your email, you could just click email, sign up with email. So this is what it looks like. You just have to type your name and then email. Let's just say this is my name and then my email and then confirm your email. You just have to enter the code that they have sent to your email address. And then you have to create your password. Make sure that this one is a strong password. That's for your own good, of course. And then after that, you just have to click this I'm not a robot and then click finish. That's it. Then you have your car account. That is for free and very easy. Now you can choose any categories or, if you're interested any of this here, you can simply click and tap any of interesting topics for you. So here I chose visiting and travel, cooking, history, writing, actual literature. I'm also interested in literature, finance, if you are interested in finance, and yeah, smartphones and so on. And then once you're done selecting, all you have to do is to click done. Loading your feed, creating your personalized feed, and after you wait or after this one is finished, then you can start using your Quora. Well, as easy as that. And then here, if you go to this part, you can see here the spaces that you have followed. So if you want to unfollow any of this, you just have to right click or click, and it will take you directly to their site. Now you can see here following, right? So if you want to unfollow, you just have to click this arrow facing down and click unfollow. And if you want to follow the space again, you just have to click follow space. Following, you can see here all the spaces that you have followed. Okay. And then answer, you can see here all the answers from your question. And then we have also here all spaces. You have one pending invites, all the invitations from spaces or people. And then notifications, but I have no notification yet. Okay, that's it. Now, if you want to interact with anyone or if you want to get attention from any audience, any people around the world, you just have to go to any of your spaces or any space, even those spaces that you haven't followed yet. And you just have to simply click up vote, down vote. You can even add comments here if you want. Then people can see your comment. They can agree, they can disagree. And then you can share this one if you want, and people can see it when they visit your profile or your feed. Okay, so you can also change the settings to suggested spaces, everyone, or shadows feeds, space only or space only. Okay, you can even copy link, bookmark link, and then report if you want to. That's it. But of course, it's a good thing. It's a good way to interact with other people, and of course, for people to know your space, for people to know your profile, to visit your profile, something like that. Okay, and then if you want to add some question, you just have to click add question, the red button there. or create post. First, let's go to add questions. So you can start with how or what, everything is up to you. And then suggested questions will appear here. Okay. So let's just say I want to know how much do vloggers make, something like that. Okay, and then there will be a suggested question, for example, like this: how much money do vloggers make? So all I have to do is to click this one. I can click add question, or if I'm going to tap that one, it will take me directly to this site where I can get some answers because this is a question. But if you want to ask it yourself and if you want to pose it, you can simply type it, okay, and then click add question. Also, you can change the settings. You can change it to the people who only followed your space. Or if you want to, set this to public, everything is up to you. If you want to set this to limited people or audience, everything is up to you. Okay, you just have to click this one. Okay, so once done, click add question. Now for create post, you can see something, anything here. And then if you click this A below, it will change the font style, something like that. Okay, so can someone tell me about blah, blah, blah? Okay, and then you can change the font, bold, italic. You can change alignment. Okay, you can insert link URL. You can click add if you want. Okay, and then so on. So you just have to tap any of the features here. And then if you want to add photo, you just have to click this and then import some folders, files, photos from your computer. So if you want to create space, you just have to tap this create space here, enter your name and brief description about your space. You can skip this one or get invite link. Everything is up to you. Then it will take you directly to your space. You can change any information later. Okay, that's it. Now, if you want to change your account settings or if you want to add some profile picture and if you want to improve your account, something like that, you can just go here, change your name, username, add picture, tap this one. Okay, you can see here the people you follow, their followers. Okay, you can add employment credential, add education credential, add education credential. Okay, you can add spaces below, something like that. And then you can also write a description about yourself and so on. So this is just a brief or basic information with Quora. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.